So viewers, this is the finishing of the full fan auto ghillie. It's very easy to make, like you already see in the tutorial, and it is completely round. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Completely round. So once again, thank you for watching my channel. This is Creative Hands platform. Love you, love you, love you. Good day and welcome to Creative Hands platform. For all my subscribers, I say thank you, love you, love you, love you. Today I just want to do a tutorial on the all-round ghillie, all-round auto ghillie. That is full round auto ghillie. Already I have my base prepared, like you see already, and also I have a tutorial on this base in my channel, so that's why I'm not repeating it. I already have my base prepared. The next thing I need is a complete piece of this ashoke, a complete length, and an half length that I'm just going to fold on it. So I will take this away first, keep it aside, and also I'll keep the base aside, and then I'm going to fold this one. I'm going to fold this. So I'll just start by taking a reasonable size, not too big, not too small. Then I'll keep folding it back. I keep turning as I fold, just to ensure I have the size and I fold it properly. So turn it again, take the next fold, trying as much as possible to see that it is equal, trying as much as possible to see that one side is not bigger than the other. So I'm being careful with how I fold, and you see that I just keep flipping backward, flip sides, just keep turning it to ensure accuracy. So this is how I'll continue until I finish folding this. So right now, as you can see, I've finished folding it completely. So just with the help of a needle and a thread, I'll just secure. Just make sure that I secure both ends with the help of the needle and the thread. So after this, I'll bring the base. This is the base I already prepared. Then place this on the base in a C form. Just like this. So I'll work with pin to secure it first before I'll finally tack it through. Before I'll tack it with the help of my needle and thread. So I'm just going to pin it through. You see my You see what I'm doing? Starting from this part, very little, then I keep moving upward. Then when I get this way, I'll step it down. So that's the C form. It's either you call it a C form or you call it a canoe form. Canoe. That is CANOE. Canoe. So it's either you call it C form or canoe form. So I just keep moving and forming that canoe form. Canoe shape. I think shape will be better. If I say canoe shape, it will be better. So you see what I have now, just like a canoe or like a C. Alright. After securing this, I'm just going to tack it through with the help of the needle and thread. So viewers, as you can see, I fixed the base. I fixed it to the base now in the form I told you, which is the C form. So you see it's fixed to the base. The next thing I'll just do is, with the help of my dummy, I'm just going to fix it to my dummy. Just a minute. Alright, because this is where I'm going to be doing the major work. So right now, I'll fix it to my dummy. So the next thing I want to do is work with this to create the fan. You know, it's really fun. It's interesting doing that. So I'm just going to work with this to create the fan. And here is the first step. The first step I'll take is to slant this, like fold it, like I'm getting a triangle out of it, like this. You see the folding, like I'm taking a triangle out of it, like this. This is what will enable the fan to come out. So when I take it like this, I'll come to the dummy and this closer. I'll come to the dummy and place it on the gele. I'm just going to place it on the gele and then I'll pin. I want to see this place. Myself, yes. So when I place it to the gele and pin, I'll take the next fold. I'll take the next fold, just like the same triangle in a triangular form, and then place it, and then I will pin. Then I'll take the next one. I'll pin. All the part that I'm pinning down now, I'm still going to tack it with the needle and thread, but for the purpose of arranging it, I will first of all pin. When I'm done pinning, then I will tack it. So I'll continue slanting it and pinning. It's going to give me a full fan. A full fan. That's what I'm going to get. So I just continue. Continue. So you can see that the fan is coming out. See that the fan is coming out and is well arranged, beautiful, every part. By the time I'm tacking with the thread, I'll be able to secure every part and make sure it is neat. So I just continue the way you see me doing. Continue. You see how it's going. See how beautiful it is looking. Alright, so after this process, you see how it's looking. This is full fan auto gele. After this process now, you see that it's well fixed, and also it's completely round. I have some extra which I'm going to cut off. I'm going to cut the extra ones off, and then I will now attach the handle. That's what they will use to tie it behind the handle. I will attach the handle to it. Very, very simple to make, and it always come out beautiful, especially for full fan. I use this style mostly for full fan. And if you have subscribed to my channel, you will see that I've also made some auto geles, and the pattern I used is different from this particular one now. So this particular pattern is the pattern I use for full fan auto gele. So I'm just going to quickly attach the handle to it. I also have a tutorial on how I attach my handle. So quickly I will do that and then show you the finishing. So viewers, this is the finishing of the full fan auto gele. It's very, very easy to make, like you already see in the tutorial, and it is completely round. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Completely round. So once again, thank you for watching my channel. This is Creative Hands Platform. Love you, love you, love you. So viewers, this is the finishing of the full fan auto gele. It's very, very easy to make, like you already see in the tutorial, and it is completely round. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Completely round. So once again, thank you for watching my channel. This is Creative Hands Platform. Love you, love you, love you.